Okay, in the United States, when we have hot wing, usually in the sports bar, and you have the chicken wing, celery stick, and blue cheese dressing. You tried the blue cheese dressing, right? The pizza is like a blank canvas. You can put anything you want on the pizza.
Hari baru di Galeri MasterChef Indonesia. 8 kontestan harus kembali bersaing untuk meraih mimpi mereka.
Masuk menjadi top 8, datang ke galeri, lihat benchnya udah beda banget. Ada oven di setiap bench gede-gede. Kira-kira ini bikin apa ya?
Udah pasti challenge-nya baking sih kalau misalkan ada oven. Tapi baking apanya itu masih tanda tanya.
Ini udah ada meja demo, ada display keju, ada oven juga, ditambah di atas bench ada mystery box. Sebenarnya challenge-nya apa sih?
Alright, top 8. Selamat datang kembali di Galeri MasterChef Indonesia season ke-12. Nggak berasa, kalian sudah ada di tahap top 8. Siapa yang tidak menyangka kalian ada di tahap ini sekarang? Siapa yang memang dari awal sudah menyangka?
Kenapa bisa sudah menyangka, Desi?
Karena saya orangnya visioner, Chef. Dari awal saya masuk ada alasannya jelas dan memang saya kejar. Gitu, Chef.
Kalau Fajar?
Sama Chef, saya orangnya sudah planning dari awal. Kalau emang saya ikut ke sini, saya harus sampai menang gitu, Chef.
Nice, I like that.
Oke, top 8. Perjalanan di kompetisi ini sudah semakin jauh. Sudah berkali-kali, entah berapa kali kamu bilang hanya akan semakin sulit. Dari segi tantangan dan bahkan juga saingan. Mungkin sebelumnya kalian harus membuat kesalahan besar untuk ada di pressure test. Sekarang, hanya dengan modal kalian bukan yang terbaik, itu sudah cukup untuk kalian harus masuk pressure test. So, kalian tidak boleh lengah, harus selalu 100%, dan harus percaya diri, jangan sampai perjalanan kalian selama ini ada di sini menjadi sia-sia. Paham?
Paham, Chef. Wah, aku emang setuju banget dengan opini dari Chef Renata karena walaupun dish kita enak, kalau kita nggak menang, kita bisa aja masuk pressure test.
Bisa dilihat, suasana dan situasi di galeri kali ini cukup berbeda. Ada apa ini?
Ada oven.
Oven.
Ada oven.
Kira-kira apa tantangannya, ada yang bisa tebak?
Pizza kali, Chef.
Pizza. Siapa lagi yang mau tebak?
Zara menebak challenge kali ini pizza. Wah, masuk akal nih pizza karena ada cheese dan ada oven.
Yang terlintas dalam pikiran saya pertama itu apa? Pasti disuruh bikin yang kayak mungkin cake dalam jumlah yang banyak atau cupcake dalam jumlah yang banyak, seperti itulah. Karena besar sekali ovennya.
Ya, di bench kalian masing-masing sudah terdapat mystery box. Ingin membukanya sekarang? Hitungan
Mau, Chef.
mundur ya. 3, 2, 1. Ada apa di sana?
Pizza.
Pizza box. Berarti kalian challenge-nya hari ini
Pizza.
membuat pizza.
Betul kan, pizza. Tapi kalau disuruh bikin dough-nya sendiri, mati aku.
Wow, gila sih. Belum pernah nih ada challenge pizza kayaknya di sini.
Oke, sebelum kita mulai, kalian tentunya sudah tahu di depan kalian dan juga depan kita ini ada bench. Artinya bench memasak akan ada seseorang yang mendemokan sebuah hidangan. Guest chef kita kali ini, 30 tahun, banyak bekerja di restoran Michelin Star dari Vancouver, Australia, ya, dan juga Amerika. Berasosiasi dengan Culinary Institute of America, ya, sekolah kuliner yang boleh dibilang terbaik ya di dunia.
Aduh, kira-kira siapa ya? Masa Gordon Ramsay? Wah, seru nih.
Saat mendengar ciri-ciri guest chef-nya yang akan hadir, aku sama sekali nggak punya clue dia bakalan siapa. Karena 30 tahun kerja di Michelin Star Restoran itu bukan chef yang abal-abal harusnya.
Mari kita langsung saja welcome Chef Barbara Alexander.
Hey, Hi, nice to see you. Hi, how are you?
Wah, ternyata emang chefnya didatangkan langsung dari luar negeri. Happy banget sih. Aku nggak sabar banget untuk buat interaksi dengan Chef Barbara.
Ternyata guest chefnya adalah Chef Barbara Alexander. Wah, ini keren banget sih. Aku sempat ngeliat dia di berbagai demo-demo cooking juga.
Welcome.
Thank you.
This is MasterChef Indonesia.
Yes, I'm excited.
Isn't it exciting?
Yes,
Thank you for your time, for coming here.
thank you.
How do you feel? What do you think about the gallery?
Well, I'm really excited to be here. I've never been on MasterChef Indonesia, and neither have you.
Oke. So, boleh ke depan dulu semuanya. So Chef Barbara get a good look at you guys.
Yeah, let's see you up close.
Introduce yourselves.
Have you been to Indonesia before this time?
I have.
Oh
I came once in the 80s backpacking.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm very old. I came once in the 80s. I backpacked all down through the island.
Oh.
It was quite interesting. I don't remember now the name of the place. But
Nice.
I've been here 3 times with California cheese.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is my 3rd trip. Yeah.
Oke, iya.
So I love Indonesia. It's great. I love the food.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Well, what have you tried so
Of
far?
course, I've tried nasi uduk a million
Nasi
times.
uduk.
Yeah.
Mie goreng.
Mie goreng.
Nasi
Nasi
goreng.
Ah.
Yeah, of course. I've tried that. It's delicious. And I love the sambal.
Sambal.
Oh my God, I love
Yeah.
the hundreds of sambal. I love it.
Ternyata Chef Barbara tuh juga suka makanan Indonesia. Ini kalau misalkan challenge pizzanya dibikin topping rendang, seru kali ya?
Chef Barbara, kayaknya Chef Barbara harus cobain nasi uduk aku deh. Karena nasi uduk aku kemarin menang, Chef.
So what kind of pizza are we gonna do today? Or are you gonna demonstrate?
Well, I'm gonna make a pizza of a really traditional, a play on a traditional American dish. I'm actually gonna do a hot wing pizza.
Oh.
So, you know, I think it's always good if they look into their heritage and make a pizza from their heritage. So maybe with some Indonesian flavors or something. I don't know. I don't want to give them any idea.
Why not? I mean, it's been done before so many
Oh,
times.
of
Yeah,
course.
there are some pizza stores, pizza joints here who does that.
Actually, I did a rendang lasagna last time I was here.
It
It was
makes
quite
sense.
popular. Yeah.
Nice.
Ya, di hadapan kalian sudah banyak sekali macam-macam keju. Nanti akan dijelaskan dengan Chef Barbara. Dan kalian juga nanti juga ada kesempatan untuk mencicip ya. Langsung aja kita bisa ke sana, Chef.
Okay,
Ya.
let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I'm going back here.
Yeah.
Aku lihat di depan itu banyak sekali varian keju. Aduh, ini neraka nih. Karena aku nggak pernah makan keju dan aku paling nggak suka keju dalam hidup aku.
Sebenarnya aku biasa aja sih sama keju. Mungkin karena aku belum pernah nyobain berbagai jenis keju. Jadi menurutku ini menarik banget dan aku nggak sabar buat coba.
Well, California cheese is only natural cheese. So we only do the natural cheese. So everything you see here is natural. So this one we have the commodity cheese. This is Colby Jack. It's a mixture of the Jack cheese and the cheddar. This one is Monterey Jack. This is the most famous California cheese. We are very famous for our Monterey Jack. And this one is the yellow cheddar. All of these cheeses are really pretty tasty, but this is quite commodity cheese. Then we have a lot of artisan cheese. This one might be a challenge for you at first, like a different kind of challenge for your taste bud, because this one is quite strong, blue cheese, but it's also tasty. So some of these are very high specialty cheese, like this Quinta we're gonna try later. This one has truffles, Toma with truffles. This one actually is won the world's best cheddar. So it's quite strong, but I want you to try them all when you're deciding which ingredient to use. This one, I think you're going to like it, has the Japanese spices, togarashi. Toma with togarashi. Yeah, oh, you can say it more excited even. This one here is with herbs. This one is with truffle, okay? This one here is with, has wine on the outside, so if you don't drink the wine, maybe not this one. And this one is the smoked cheddar. And down here we have the jalapeno with the chili. So cheese with chilies is very nice on a pizza. Okay? Mozzarella. This one is our natural Toma. This one is the creamy Jack, has a more creamy taste. This one has herbe de Provence, like your French experience. And this one is the pepper Jack with the spicy chilies as well. But the mozzarella is what you're going to use today because the mozzarella gives the cheese the stretchiness And on a pizza, you want the stretchy, right? Zahara, where's Zahara? Zara. I'm sorry, Zara. Come take a toothpick.
I think I want to try this.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
Do it. Let's see.
Aku berkesempatan untuk cobain produk-produk cheese-nya dan yang paling aku suka adalah blue cheese dan juga brie yang ada truffle-nya.
Now take
a
one
grape.
single grape.
Good idea, chef.
It's different. Together.
I love the combination. Wow, sebenarnya aku nggak terlalu suka keju sih, tapi keju-keju ini rasanya amazing banget.
Yeah, I think anybody can try it.
Gila, ada sebanyak itu keju, ada brie, ada cheddar, ada mozzarella. Aku seneng banget ke depan dan bisa makan dari buffet mewah tersebut.
Yang paling aku suka itu adalah tomat truffle karena rasa truffle-nya strong banget. Nah, ini cocok dijadikan sebuah makanan yang identik dengan truffle oil.
Aku cobain keju yang Togarashi cheese, ternyata rasanya itu juga unik ya. Aku baru tahu ternyata keju tuh ada rasa yang kayak gini, karena yang pernah aku makan ya paling mozzarella atau keju cheddar yang umum seperti itu.
Oke, cukup ya.
Alright. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chef.
Oke, jadi kalau belum jelas, seperti Chef Barbara katakan tadi, kalian harus memakai mozzarella-nya plus 1 atau 2 cheese yang lain.
Kamu boleh pakai keju apa aja, boleh pakai keju mana saja, kombinasi berapa saja. Yang penting masuk akal dan rasanya masuk. Yang pasti harus ada mozzarella-nya sebagai base, karena ini pizza. Paham?
Paham.
Chef.
Ya, ini bakal menjadi challenge paling buruk menurut aku karena aku nggak suka keju dan aku harus mengkombinasikan makanan dengan apa yang nggak aku suka. Tapi aku nggak mau kalah kali ini, aku benar-benar harus cari strategi supaya aku bisa mengkombinasikan dua makanan ini.
Oke, sebelum kalian mulai, tentunya kalian ingin melihat dulu Chef Barbara to demonstrate how to make the pizza. Feel free to ask questions, yeah, and ask about cheese. Feel free. Okay, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Great. I'm excited.
Wih, aku seneng banget. Ternyata Chef Barbara tuh bakalan mendemokan bagaimana cara membuat pizza versi beliau. Aku benar-benar excited sih dan aku bakalan perhatiin step by step-nya supaya ketika aku buat pizza aku oke ketika dimakan.
Are you guys ready? Okay. Good. Me too. Me too. I want you all to win, so I want you to do the best job, okay? So I'm going to try and explain everything very easy. So before we talk about the dough, I want to tell you about the ingredients that we're making today. So I'm making a hot wing pizza. You know hot wing, right? Okay. In the United States, when we have hot wing, usually in the sports bar, and you have the chicken wing, celery stick, and blue cheese dressing. You tried the blue cheese dressing, right? The pizza is like a blank canvas. You can put anything you want on the pizza, okay? So today, of course, I'm going to use mozzarella, and I'm also going to use the Toma cheese that we tried, and I'm going to use blue cheese, okay? Because it's the hot wing pizza. Here I have chicken cooked with the hot wing sauce, and I have fresh celery, and I'm going to top it with the green onion and blue cheese dressing. Yeah, so if you're going to make the pizza, first you make the dough. You put the topping and immediately into the oven. But your topping is already ready. So you have to think about this. You're in a competition now, okay? So you have to think, what can I do to make my job the easiest and the best? So you can make one pizza, or I think you can make two pizza actually. You put two in the oven, then you can choose which one looks the best for the judges. Okay, so when you take the dough, the first thing I do when I take the dough is I put it into the rice flour. I like to use rice flour because rice flour doesn't burn. The problem with the wheat flour, it burns.
Ternyata kalau mau dusting si pizzanya itu harus pakai tepung beras. Itu benar-benar pengalaman baru sih bagi aku karena biasanya aku tuh pakai semolina.
So now there's a couple of techniques. One is to throw it in the air. I can't do it very good, okay? I let the gravity do the work. See how the gravity is pulling the pizza down? Okay, so I'm just leaving a little bit of a border on the outside and let the gravity do the work. Okay, here we're gonna put a little rice flour, okay, on the table. Put the pizza dough down. Okay, it looks okay, but it's not big enough. So I can do this. okay? Stretching with my hands, or if you feel more comfortable, can do like this to make the crust the same size. You should have only one finger on the crust. And then, once I get it almost there, the next technique is with the hand. If you have the big ring, you have to take it off because you put on the back of the hand and you move like this. Okay, so we move it around.
Dari cara shapingnya Chef Barbara, itu sudah terlihat lah. Beliau sangat profesional sekali.
So, I want to show you about the blind bake. Is that okay? So, this is called the peel, right? And I'm going to put the pizza here like this. Okay, get it the right size and put on the peel. Like that. And then you have a few seconds to move it. But don't leave it here. If I leave for 5 minutes here, it's going to stick to the peel. Okay? And we're going to put in the oven. Okay, when you put in the oven, you put here where you want it and one movement. Okay? Just one movement. So you put here and pull one time. Don't go like this, okay? Or your pizza gonna fold on itself. Okay? So we just wait.
Aku melihat Chef Barbara ini menjelaskannya dengan baik dan banyak sekali teknik yang baru aku lihat dan adonan pizza ini sangat-sangat bagus sih.
Okay, so let's have a look. Okay. Okay, so don't worry about this one because it's going to deflate, okay? So he's gonna go down. But you see, it's not cooked, not brown, right? Don't make it brown. If you make it brown, it's too late. But now it's very easy for me to put the topping, right? Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So first things first, we want to put first the sauce. You know most pizza have tomato sauce, bechamel sauce, but this one actually I'm just going to use the chicken sauce. So it doesn't need to have a special sauce. This sauce is good enough.
Aku bener-bener dapat banyak pelajaran dari Chef Barbara. Beliau ngedemoin cara buat pizza dan kalau misalnya mau bikin pizza itu ternyata harus dimasukin ke oven sebentar 2-3 menit terus dikeluarin. Karena biasanya habis bikin pizza dikasih topping langsung di oven. Ternyata ini berbeda.
Next we put the mozzarella. Also the mozzarella goes to the outside, not over, just to. Okay? Next, remember this one? The toma. So I'm just going to put the toma, but make sure we don't put the toma all in one place, right? And the next, I put the blue cheese. Now I'm actually ready to put the pizza in the oven. So let's go ahead and put this one in the oven. Can go right on the pizza stone. Okay, you see it? Okay, right on the pizza stone. Okay, now let's prepare the topping, okay? So very simple. I'm going to have the celery, and I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. Not too much, just to make the celery shiny. And a little bit of salt, okay? A little bit of pepper. And I'm ready. So now all I'm going to do, if I'm the contestant, babysit the pizza. Okay, don't just expect the pizza's gonna cook itself. You're in control, right? Don't let the oven control you. You control the oven. Okay, now have a look. I want you to look at it. You can see it's browning a little bit, but not enough, right? So we still wait. I don't know, maybe it's 3-4 minutes so far. But I want you to keep your eyes on the pizza when you're baking it. So are you thinking a little bit about what you want to do already? Yeah. Okay, and I can tell you the cheese is very inspirational. Okay, let's do it. Come on. You have mozzarella, but and everything you take from here.
Everything.
Yeah, you can take anything from here. Okay, let's check our pizza before we burn it. Perfecto. Okay, look at that, huh?
Pizza yang Chef Barbara bikin akhirnya udah selesai dan saat dikeluarkan dari oven, wow, aromanya semerbak wangi cheese dan aku benar-benar ngiler banget, pengen banget cobain pizza ya.
Ngelihat hasil dari pizzanya Chef Barbara, kayak pengen tak comot gitu loh.
So when the pizza comes out, a couple of things, right? You want to see it's nice and blistered around the outside, okay? Nice with a blister like that. It looks great. So don't be afraid to cook it enough time that you can see the brown blister from the mozzarella. So now I'm finished my pizza. Before I serve it, I can put the sprinkle of the celery. Make sure that everybody gets some. Okay, and then we're going to have the blue cheese dressing.
Ooh.
Yes, remember the after bake. Look, there's some nice chunk of blue cheese there. Okay, can put it there. And then the very last thing, some green onion. Okay, just for the color. So guys, one more thing, okay? This one is the hot honey, spicy honey. Yeah, it's very popular in the US. So if you like something sweet, I think people in Indonesia like sweet with savory, we can put a little bit of honey. Just at the very last minute, okay? Okay, so let's cut this baby.
Waktu Chef Barbara potong pizzanya tuh bener-bener crispy banget, kedengeran suaranya sampai telinga dan itu wow banget sih.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Thank you so much. Okay, great.
All
so
right.
let's get a piece for the judges.
Wow.
Nice.
Somebody likes the one with
very
the blister.
beautiful.
Somebody likes the blistery one.
I love the
Yeah,
mystery
it's for
one.
you, baby. Chef,
Thank you.
this one is for you, the special with the blister. I like it too.
More blisters, the better.
And then this piece is for the contestant, right? I cut it a bit smaller for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chef.
Chef Barbara motongin lagi buat kita, padahal juri-juri udah ambil. Thank you ya Chef, kita jadi bisa nyobain pizza buatan Chef Barbara.
Oh,
Guys,
you look good eating the pizza.
please.
She can be the model for the pizza,
Yeah.
huh? Yeah.
Aku cobain pizzanya, wah enak sih, apalagi bagian crust yang garing itu. Aku yang tadinya nggak suka pizza, mendadak jadi suka deh.
I love the pizza. It's fantastic. Everything, all the components, all make sense. Great job.
Aku akhirnya berkesempatan untuk cobain si pizza yang dibuat sama Chef Barbara. Dan wow, rasanya sangat amazing sesuai dengan looks-nya. Kombinasi antara sauce, cheese, dan juga fresh saladnya itu benar-benar nampol banget di mulut.
Well, Chef Barbara, thank you for the demonstration.
Thank you
Yeah,
guys.
thank you.
Thank you for the pizza.
Thank you for the
You're
pizza.
welcome.
Delicious pizza.